Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Makita M0801B heavy duty power drill or hammer drill. There's an image of the hammer drill right over here. This is a power tool from Makita Manufacturing. A lot of components in this one, but on the box we don't have a lot outside the fact that this, you have an image of the power tool. That's all you get with this box. Let's open it and show you what's inside. This is it. This is what you find inside the box. We have terms and conditions from Makita. There you go. Terms and conditions and warranty card actually from Makita. And you also have this instruction manual for the hammer drill for the M0801 hammer drill and 0800 hammer drill as well. So this is what you find over here. 1 second. So this is what the power drill looks like, the Makita M0801 power drill. This is the side grip that comes with this particular power drill. So the side grip is supposed to go in. Let me just open it first. There you go. It's pretty simple opening it. Open it like so. Right. There you go. Let's open it like this. You can use this as a depth gauge as well, but for now let's attach this side grip to the drill. There you go, it should come all the way up till here. Now the rest of the handle should go in. This is 1, this is 2, and we screw this in using the handle actually. So there you go. So be a little patient with it. So there you go. So this is what it looks like. This is the MK0801 hammer drill. What we don't have with this particular set are all the different attachments that comes with this particular hammer drill. So this is basically the body and this is basically the main power drill that we have over here. It also comes with a pretty thick power cable. And at the end you have this 2-pin power jack. So I will connect it to the power source and see how well this works. This is what it sounds like. I must mention the trigger is very sensitive, so you can actually control the intensity of the drill by pressing it lightly and then pressing it hard as well. There are a lot of things are written over here. It says 1.5 to 13 millimeter, half to 20 ounce. So basically these are all the different attachments that will go in here. So it's the smallest being 1.5 millimeter attachment and the largest being the 13 millimeter attachment. Do it like, I can put the side grip like this as well. So now when I put it back in, there you go. Now you can drill holding the machine, the hammer drill like this as well. So now you can drill from this angle as well. This is very useful for when you're drilling right on top of something, or you don't have a lot of space to hold down here. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Makita M0801B 16mm heavy duty hammer drill. Thank you for watching.